Alright, this is going to be a response for Dave and for Chris, lock 62606. This is the Murray's Beeswax. Picked it up, thought we'd give it a shot with some natural tinder. As you guys know, I always carry the Bagbalm, which is a lot of petroleum, and I can use that as a coal extender, fire, whatnot. So we'll give this a shot. I'll probably still carry the Bagbalm for its anti-septic properties and multi-purpose everything. But this has worked in the past, so we're going to give this a shot with some cattail fluff. And one of the things I'm going to use is a little Nivea cream can. It's one of the smallest little snuff cans you can find. It's usually near the travel section in like your Walgreens and whatnot. I don't really need the Nivea cream, so I just tossed it. But it is a nice little small container. Alright, cattail fluff, got a little bit in there. As you guys know, cattail fluff is just immensely difficult to work with unless you're using it in a fire starting situation. So this thing's probably going to burn off the excess fluff, the stuff that doesn't have the Murray's wax on it. But we will bring you back after she settles down. Well, I hope that doesn't overexpose it. This camera doesn't really like bright lights. But been 10 minutes. Still going pretty strong. It's lit the rest of the bin. Obviously, I think your firing time, as far as how long this will last, will depend on the amount of tinder and the amount of petroleum you use, obviously. Now with the cattail fluff, it's sort of hard to work with because it immediately just expands 1,000 times. So it might not be the easiest tinder to work with, but I lined the can with a bit of the wax, so when I put the fluff in, at least it had something to stick to on the inside. But let's see if we get closer here. Really close. Seems to be doing all right. And as Dave said, there isn't much soot coming off this at all. I'm actually really surprised. Now, using it in a little tin can, that tin can will get pretty hot, so you gotta be careful what you're setting it on. Initially I thought this might be a nice little car warmer, similar to the toilet paper and rubbing alcohol, but without the soot. But we'll see how it goes. It's similar to having just kind of a big candle, really, but it puts off more heat than a candle would. So there you go.